algo que ando y me resta voy a ver sana.
What a soft.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Ani beriha berfana wes women in tech inga mi Wednesday se women in tech mode series ke have one session na marhaban ya to then mi session gas ko fudewala kan ani er Korean teachers tibima wada ani English of ani mi session kuriya dani ya to so welcome I would like to welcome you all for the seventh session of Wednesday women in tech mode Women in Tech Modis is an NGO that's to inspire, empower, celebrate women in science and technology community with skills to build a tech-savvy community. Then we have been having previously also this kind of sessions which has been focused about cyber security, no-code building websites and apps with no-code, creating effective designs, technical sessions on CQRTS and artificial intelligence sessions. Tonight's session will be taken by two facilitators of our NGO, and they are Nuha and Farshana here. Speaking about these facilitators, Farshana, we normally call her as Faru. Faru has been working in Modis Custom Service as a developer for past 7 years, and she has been very much skilled in this coding applications area. And we have Nuha. She is a computer science teacher for 2 years in Navian Education Center, and she is currently I think working in is a lecturer in Zikura International College. So without wasting the time, I think I will hand over this session to our facilitators. Noha? Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Me Faru, then me adaka fortama ba me section ga fortama ba algan kiya dena. En aslu covid agulimigen aharmenge lifestyle awara ba changes genna meje honido. Egateren e change ki the way we learn and teach. Education area ya me gennan jehunu change aguliken wara ba concerns about ode. Ega gina concerns ke hallaki technology. Egoto miyatuga session ga mibaga alugandu kiyadena edtech tools that can be used by educators. Then Megaton, when I was researching about these edtech tools, I came across hundreds of different tools. Egatering by popular tools alugand me bag kiyadena. The me tools poda focus kofahunnan of course ane collaborate kurani kihinetto ane students boda engage kofa ane the exercises assess kurani kihinetto ekala kantata hunnan me tools ka. Then the megatereng emma fortama by educational platforms ta kiyadena ega fortama kamaka fortama ichaki Google Classroom ki divehi rajyage wara bavar mehen use kara platform e then inna Microsoft mehen wes inna Microsoft Team Classroom e wes free tool e then inna ne Apple Classroom then Apple Classroom ga disadvantage ki and it can be used only on iOS devices. Then meege ituram about Edmodo, Schoology, Canvas, Blackboard, Moodle pada ane platforms ta. Then me huria HS ka ane common feature ka haren fahagavi they have very familiar similar interface concept. A interface concept wara ane similar ka hunnani. දැන් එකමක by tools ka honnane pros and cons ekota misalaka schoology ei internationally wara baver mehi use kura eche ega ane honnane wara good features like assessment retake kuruma then cloud based assignment sharing dropbox medu very con then google docs send kuruma ekal features da hore ekamaka means schoology ga ane drawback ki a student and a student and a platform through a message and there's no messaging feature in this platform. We can go the Edmodo and a teacher communicate kurave ekamako a student and a student a message kurave kala features at night. Then then and students ke and attention hodama ema furtama kam kaharmen jehne e terangala present kurang ekala gotam ane interactive ko multimedia it is the ane dynamic slides I just create ko for present kurang baver tools taken hunnane ega teren by tools take ki mige gina tools take ki like google jamboard haiku deck peer deck mikala it is ki google classroom sa ekega integrate kurave kahala tools take then ane මේක තරක හිමනේ tools takeki hama ekani ane slides create kurakanu then by hsaki ane infographic to infographics kala hs ane create kurang use kura misal ka visme infograph visme tool pen kogen infographics armen create kurevene then classroom ane physical classrooms ka hame activities kudina degota ahme online converse power activities dem beno mane ekala gotan ahane ane the popular four popular tools which I came across are Kahoot, explain everything, Quizlet, then Socrative. Then Kahoot ki ane eka mobile app wes inde et beno kogen harming ane quiz create kogen et students share kogen et assess wes korevene and explain everything wes ama ekala gotaka whiteboard style ke innane eti ega sama group activities engage korevene quizlet ane flashcards ane gaming use kogen ane quizzes devene likewise Socrative kawes innane baver exercises create kofa eti ane student boda involve korave kahala interface aikiga innane then the tools which I came across is like it lets the educators to create books or it let the educators share some references or books among other educators and also the students ekal gota ane me edu clipper kya tool ki ane teachers ekitantanu online kon references hodala for 80 students sa share kurave kahala tool then me CK12 ki ane academic books free kon access kurave kahala website ekala gota me story jumper ki ane story mode ka me කියවාදේ lesson story mode ka create kofa it students share kurave kahala tool then me buneno ane to achieve success start sharing your knowledge ekala kota as educators ahar mane engage share kuranje hene as well as ideas ehemihun carry sequence kuranje hene egotum ahar men ane a teacher एक educator educator के ane knowledge share kuran benun kura de tools me ekechaki TED Ed then anengechaki wabisabi TED Ed ki ane e vara sali tool ega ane ahar me educational lessons create koravena then teachers ekanyanno ega students ekeka share koravena then when I just explored this one, I found so many ideas. And then my ideas benung ko keng harmenge educate teaching style it just teaching styles rangal kuravene. දැන් බබිසබියකි අනේ community e community එක වෙස් අනේ එක teachers එමිහුඟ හියාලා එච්චස් share කොගෙන් කොරිය ගෙන්ද වේන then මේක ඊතර එහින් කහලා tools the which I came across is this circle class dojo class dojo එක වර interesting tool එක ඒති මිසාලක student ka behavior improve කරන් බේනු වෙජිය they can use this tool ඒක වගතකි ඒක අනේ instant feedback ෆොනුවාල වෙන then good behavior reward වෙස් කර වෙන එකල by features the හොරේ then boom writer ki and it's a tool which can be used to write collaboratively then Blogstar is it's a very amazing tool. It can help the children to learn through visual contents. It also allows you to create multimedia posters by combining different informations, videos, images, etc. etc. Then voice thread kivas digital tool and गिनगतकुम बेनु कोरविदाने especially to practice the students oral language then go nodal ki vara interesting tool e tool benu koken you can make the student um, to get more energetic and more active egahunan by videos to by videos kannane ane activities meduvarika you can make the students to move around and just for stretching and all then ega utara ane benuwane special needs kids තිබෙනද එකෝදින වෙස් හම assist කරවේ ගොතන් උන්න එබහරි අනේ බෑවරි tools තකෙන් ඒක by tools තකකේ bookshare scan and read pro then portable note taking a visually impaired khudinna then speak screen hsagi iOS devices ke is available h natural reader memory trainer voice photo mikal hs wes benu kogen ane special needs khudinna aharben kiya online ko kiyawa devidane thank you then mi session go mi ba nimmalana then kuriyan ba nuha continue karane
thank you Faru.
yes
so I'll be mostly demonstrating some of the tools which just now Faru has discussed. මිතාග මිහාර බඩ වාහක මෙද කෙවැනි අනේ Google platform එහෙන් නොන කම එහෙන් නොන ගුණ කම වයිනා මෙහෙනි හදි එහෙන් technological tools අනේ teacherum නම් හාස tools තක අබේ ඒගොතුම් then since there are some expected I would like to give a brief in a small introduction as well. So most of the teachers are now using Google Classroom. And now, as you can see here, there are 4 main tabs that we use in Google Classroom. And in STEAM, this STEAM feed, mostly the teachers, they consider to create an interactive hub for students. Also, most of the teachers are using the STEAM to set up the class discussions and discussion boards. By doing this, all the students can interact and collaborate virtual learning environment. So, and also I prefer some interactive collaborative tools for all the teachers. For example, we can use flip cards for video discussions, and also we can use Screencastify to post video messages, which will definitely make the students to enjoy our sessions. And as you can see here, in classwork tab, we can just assign different kinds of works like assignment, classwork, worksheet, and quizzes as well. Nowadays, the teachers, so far the teachers, they while giving classworks, also they are considering using the other popular tools as well. Not only just Google Docs, they are considering other tools which is readily available and it is free. Also, by using these tools, we can create more successful learning system to collaborate and also to engage students in a revolutionized way of communication. It is very important. And then the next step is about the people who are going to share the resources or the materials, teachers and students. And now in Google Classroom, it has an option for teachers to invite the parents as guardians too, and to send out the updates about the student works and all. However, I have found out that it does not offer the level of communication which you will be able to find out in tools like Class Dojo, which just now Faru has discussed. It is a very interesting tool. I mean, the interactivity of parent is much more than Google Classroom, and in Seesaw also. And I believe because of this, most of the preschools and foundation schools uses Class Dojo as they would need more parental involvement. And since all the teachers now, they have almost completed as Google Certified Educator Level 1, they would know how to create assignments, how to add people, and how to invite a parent as a guardian, and how to create a Google Meet link in order to share the class with the students and all. So I will just demonstrate how we can give gradings or points to our students' assignments, as we can create a sample assignment. And also we can add files from Google Drive or from our computer, or we can upload any YouTube file also if we need. And then here we can select the students. We can also assign for specific students if we want. And we can also make it ungraded, or we can grade up the point as we wish. And then due dates also can be set like this. And then these are the topics which the teacher has created so far. So we can select a topic. And then this is one very important thing. The check-in for plagiarism is a new feature which came to Google platform. And then also we can create a rubric, or we can reuse a rubric that we have done before also. So this rubric is very important actually. If by seeing the rubric, the students will be able to know how they will be graded. So I guess this is very important. Okay. Now that's all about Google Classroom. Now I want to share one thing. We can also give marks or give feedback by using our phones and tab, that the worksheets and assignment with the students upload into Google Classroom. We can just mark it spontaneously or give feedback just on time by using our phones also. This is a demonstration which I have done by using my mobile phone. So this is also a very interesting feature in Google Classroom. Now, I will share in one more. This is the edu page that we use in school. Edu page also has many features that is very useful for our students and teachers to collaborate, and as well as to enhance shared learning or to create a good virtual learning environment. So as you can see, class register, timetable, we can see class timetable as well as the specific teacher timetable and all. And then from this edu page, I would also like to highlight how we can give homework and how we can assess students. We can create tests, we can add homework. Also, we can give a presentation material to our students as well. And then this we can also plan an exam event with a teacher or with the students also. Survey is also available. So from this, I would like to show a demonstration how we can give a class test. These are the classes that we have created. If we want more class, we can more class, or if we want to two or three, if we want just to give an assignment or a test for just 2 or 3 student or individual group, we can just group the students also within this edu page and then give it separately. For that, as you all know that most of the teachers, they are following assessment for learning. Means for example, if some of the students failed from the first attempt, we can reteach, and then again we can select the separate students and we can give the retest again. So for example, here we can create a class, separate group of students. So select only some students. Here we can select the students that we, specific students that we want to retest, give the retest, or if we want to give a separate assignment or separate paper. So this is also very useful for most of the teachers. Not most of the teachers, if this resource is used, it will be really helpful for the teachers and students as well. And, so that is the assessment feature from EduPage. There are several ways of questions that we can prepare, different types of questions by using EduPage. And also we can just create an interactive session also within our class time. Now, Now next one is Screencastify. Screencastify is also a video recording. We can do the video recordings, and also we can take exams by using Screencastify. For example, if we want to create an announcement or a video by using Screencastify, and then we can also this also has integrated feature with Google Classroom, so that we can record our videos and then we can upload to Google Classroom. Also, we can share the videos with individual students if they need individual help also. As you can see, this is a video which I have created to just to explain one concept for a specific student. So the tools are also there, and then video is also there. We can just explain with the content by using Screencastify. Now, when we see on assessments and evaluation, we can create assessments, we can give tests for the students who are staying at home also. We can monitor at the same time what they are doing and whether they are copying or whether anyone is helping to them. We can identify by using Screencastify. To do that, we need to go to Google. We have to add the Screencastify extension to our Chrome browser, and then we can create an assignment link, and we can copy the link in our Google Classroom, as well as we can send this separate link to the student as well, the specific student, if we are taking for an individual assignment or any individual exam. So while they are attempting the exam, after they attempt and when they upload their exam, this will be automatically uploaded to the teacher's drive. Teacher can see the video, video of the student, as well as here the microphone, and also the screen sharing will be recorded. So it is also very important and very interesting and useful one. EduPage, we just have now some interactive tools are there, which is integrated with Google Classroom. I'll just so a Jamboard is also an online platform which we can use like an interactive whiteboard. Faru also mentioned about Jamboard. Students can draw, students can type, and also they can share what they have done with the other students and with the teacher as well. And then the next one is explain everything. This is also an interactive keyboard, interactive whiteboard. This has the special feature which we can record our video, and then as well as audio will be recorded. So this can be used by teachers to teach the student. Specific contents can be taken and then taught with video and audio as well. moving on with the next tool. This is actually Google Slides that we all are using right now. In everyday life, we are using PowerPoint, we are using Google Slides to share our presentations and lessons with students. So now in Google Slides also there are various integrated tools are there. For example, there is Equator, which especially mathematical teachers, they can create equations and formulas by using Equator. And then there's this FireShot. By using FireShot, actually the teachers, they can give the spontaneous feedback to the students. And then there's this remote remote for slides. Yes, remote for slides mostly we can use to control the Google device on any device remotely. Now as Faru has also mentioned about Peer Deck, I would like to demonstrate how we can integrate Peer Deck into Google Slides. So first we have to add the Peer Deck to our Chrome extension, and then after adding it will be there here. It is an add-on, that's why it will be here. You have to go to add-ons and then you have to open the Peer Deck. It might take some time. The interesting thing is we can use the Google Slide features as well as the Peer Deck features together. For example, if we can create our first slide by using same normal Google Slide, and then we can also add a slide, and then we can use this Peer Deck. For example, if we want to ask questions, we can ask specific type of question. For example, if we want to ask a text, a choice, a number, a website, or we want the students to draw something, or if they want to something to draggable like a map or something, we can use this feature as well. And then I will do a sample slide here. And then we can select the draw feature from this. It's processing the slide. Now we can't see the two areas are divided in order to the students to draw, but it will be there in the students view. I will show the student view also later. But you can see from here that there is a Peer Deck drawing slide attached with this slide, and so that's one thing. And the next interesting thing about this Peer Deck is while we are explaining our lesson, for example, if we are beginning our lesson, what are the things, there are some things that we can use. For example, how was the homework assignment? Here the student can give their input, good or bad, by using this emoji. And also we can create thinking questions and all. Not beginning of the lesson, during the lesson also there are various slides that we can use. End of the lessons also, for example, if we want to know that the student has successfully their success criteria is being achieved by them, so we can just add a slide to know whether they understood the lesson or not, by using end of the lesson slides. And also there are various subject areas as well. For example, if we take mathematics, there are various slides that we can use for different types of topics that we are teaching. So like that. So this is how we can create or how we can integrate Peer Deck in Google Slides. Now to share, we can just give a name. Now here you have to mention the students that you are going to share the presentation with. Choose a student from there. Then let's see from a student screen how it appears in their tablet or whatever tool they are using. We have to start our lesson from here, and then there are two options. This option, student phase activity, actually from this option we can allow the students to write or attempt the questions or attempt the assignments or whatever questions inserted in the slides later on when they go home or not. Instructor phase activity, we can do it on real time. For example, if we are doing it inside the classroom itself, then we can go for instructor one. And then the presentation is launching now. So this is actually the students has to type in their status bar, like joinpd.com, and then they will be asked to enter the code, which is this code here. They can enter the code. They can skip this. I'm just trying to log in from a student's account just to show their.
Hello. Ane, eves walenge bodita.
Ada lagi soalnya. Faru, I'm ready.
أنا دم بونيكم بس دفلو كسوالين إن بها كانوا هاتي أنسى كلها أنا كوريا دامنو.
Okay. Apa soalnya?
Google slide kami alugan mami nagani misal ka video edita ade video misal alugan ngadi ekam den kudinnan geti adu niveni ekivin
Google slide ang import kuri konta ko the video.
YouTube
YouTube import ko sa kamamanyam hama slide kudin na share kuri mahama play kuri na video.
kuri tre alugan hindu ege hindu ga hadi alugan ngadi ekam kudinna kenge taxus enna.
Okay, now can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the teacher's view. Okay, teachers will see this view. Teacher una fennane me gota de me no responses me response show response adiyana fennane hama individual kudinge hama waki response hama fennigen dana then me har me fennane me student ge view so me ge furta mahar me nagam furta manege the option ga tere in teacher control h negima teacher slide badal kuri ima then student on a slide fennane me har student have fennane hen slide it is loaded. So let us slide 3. So now draw any two input devices. Now they can easily draw anything they want, and then teacher can view their responses spontaneously. Hama student by student. Me are me MS student and naga for me M response mean one of hama M response. The response me tang mean this slide get the response. Then hama MS student है join को fine ma M response hama gina kudin te ben hama waki kudin के responses hama bala eleven. So this is really good. PR deck हमारा सारी अच्छे में हम integrate कर लंग हम में बनी हम Google Classroom के तेरे बेरों कुरान में हमारा सारी अच्छे में then running हैं हम thing आमो committee में learners के तेरे visual auditory kinesthetic learners अब बस हम हाथ सकों ए बती भी PR deck के slide हम design हम बती भी हमें this is a really good tool. हम मिसाला का lesson plan उन फैशिंग गोस हम success criteria अचीव भी तो बाला में से हम हर महीने बैंडों को रेविदान में PR tech then मिसाला का हम teacher हम continuous को हम screen ने दक्का फमी slides तक हैं अड़वाया के हम content share करूँगा बदल का हम देते रहे आपको PR deck के slide लाफ student engagement उन्होंने student उन involve कर दी माइकल student अब बस बोडंग है concept के तेरे उन्होंने theory के तेरे वादे भी गेंदान मिसाल का हम दे input device है दे check पूरा हालेस आये ने हम student हम नागया गने वेन अनेक हैं teacher explain करो माँ बोले हम interactive कमी हैं गेंदे हम हमारा सारे वाले lesson Any questions? Well, adu kong annani. Any questions, teachers or participants?
أنا دم أهالي دو سؤال meet का video share करे और video के आटो खुदिन नीवे वहाँ कबूल दो I think ane audio share kura gotun ehem mani do ehem ane audio share kura iru eka indian three dots screen ga ege fittala fa ane settings gossa audio change kollani mic kun ane stereo mixa e option innane eran ane video ga sound bus kudinna taane fenuni mama hitan eri buna
Okay, thank you.
The main याने Quizlet service हम फारू कोड़ा को हम explain कर दें Quizlet की कब कंग then हम alwan hama meke demonstration e dakkala nan koda komi kinakam quizlet ge flash cards ahan men hadani misalakan hama quizlet akive sama Google Classroom integrate kurave then you can click get started nami kuring hada fatibi flip cards mele friend na then share ko fine class les mitanu friend nang hunnan hama teacher create a gosa set nagadi ma you can create a new set of cards the mige anen misala ka biology ka subject kiyawa de teacher on asu hasakon inna definitions kahala chenoni english ke was vocabulary kahala che kuda kudinna vocab kahala che kuriya gendairu benum previdana quizlet misala ka biology mitaga chahan chehni class nama hennoni hama subject ka naam
Here screen share करता है
अब friend है तो
නොපෙන ස්ක්‍රීන් ෂෙයා නොකර කන්නේගෙන
alwan okay men marga alum pala ni har friend है तो
या मिहारो
okay me quizlet then hama quiz ga hama create card create adyam hama card set and hama create kore and then kore invest bune gotang hama misala kang ane biology hala terms tagina ni subject takang ane quizlet tang kole fase hang hama benu kole vidan misala ka biology ke commerce topic ek ganang har menal de vidan misala ka tree then ane here misala ka entire terms misala ka photosynthesis photosynthesis negi hama definitions auto imetanang hama generate quran so we can select any of these and then we can move on with the next one misala ka germination with misala seed germination nindita then ituru swale water cycle nagale ma hama miyana ni hama mege hama definitions auto in generate ko ke miyana ni then we can select hama ekiyala hama me appropriate kudinang me fase hanging gene kahala hama definition and hama select kollangi then mita sama share korevana students hama integrate with korevana Google Classroom ge tereya hama create now it is saving your work and then share kurang hama link पे share करे विदान हमा वेतनों का पे link चाह हमारे हैं email बैंों को अगर मैं सम बाकी को दिन ना वैसा specific को हमा need dot को दिन ना वाके हाँ सकों हमा दाला फस को नवाले विदान है तनो link ना गए then मी हाँ मैं flip cards मी the photosynthesis flip करे मामे को दिन ना fendigan hama ege misaka photosynthesis ki ko back hama photosynthesis germination ki ko back and hama kudin gega ves mihen hama tibegen hama flip kolli me sama mi hama content go through abave war fase hain then mi har mi tanga bike kudin ekala mihen flip kurang hama tankole lazy kudin na me ni hama audio ves sama metanum hama play kolli hama whatever mi har lefa me hori ha se they can hear then faru hama mention करले करने के मेगन टेस्ट बस नहीं गए दें हम फ्लिपकार्ट गेम में फंसे हैं तंकोला कि फ्लिपकार्ट हदाफ दें हम क्विज़लेट गेम में फंसे हैं तंकोला कि मैं फ्लिपकार्ट हदाफ हम ऑटोइंग हम टेस्ट बस में जनरेट करले मिसाल कमी हम क्वेश्चंस ऐसे हम टेस्ट में गेम so the students हम मिसाल का हम आंसर दीफ हम सब का आंसर दे चेक का आंसर सर दिया हम दे आ गेट इन हम एमी होंगे हम ग्रेड और हम ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट है बकुरे हम क्लासरूम तेरेगा वैस हम कुदी नंगे गुनो मेंबर बाला हम बारंग हम क्विक कैच में हम जस्ताला हम कुदी नवा हम फीड मी फीड कोली हम इंगे नेगे फहोरे मेंबर हासिल फहोरे मेंबर so මේක සලි ෆීචර් එකක් අනේ Quizlet එක. දැන් අද Quizlet එක බෑ maths වෙස් කරව මිසාලකම් हम game एक गोता हम they can हम take that term and they can match මේක සම මේ time එක වෙස්සේ බෑ මේක සමය කුදින් නම් කුදින් results සම බලාද වෙනස පස්සේ දැන් gravity එක දාශුන් ඉන්නනේ हम game එක ගොතන් අනේ collaborate කොන් හෙදෙන් වෙස් අනේ Quizlet එක මේක so हर में one user में हदानी question को मैं any question then हम they can type कोड़ा को दिन तंग कोड़ा दिन they would like these features करने का बड़ा दिन आने बड़े तो को दिन ना हम tests देवे ना class teacher या classroom class time का दा आने हैं यही then Quizlet के कोड़ा intro and others Quizlet के features कम बहुत ही कम को time නැති එම දැන් එහාවරු में special need coding tools तक वाहक फरुवस देन में हम highlight कर ले then special need coding नगासलो में covid गुड़िगे नगासलो teachers coding ना दुर्वे teachers संग में देवे गोतंग हम coding lesson करना के अनु देवे कंग हम teachers वाला बड़ा फाह गकोरी then anything फाह गवा में coding के कर learning barriers तक तेरे गही मैंने social economic and physical barrier आगे दाशुं नगासलो में ICT में अन्ननी physical barrier agada then physical barrier agaves external internal get points tak tere external gas ICT meaning inappropriate and inadequate equipment in ICT ekudin nang appropriate no tools tak ngahal men benom pura kamawanya ei hama barrier ekawan then internal barrier gotum hama body function ekudin ga body function na ekudin ga cognitive skills tools ta benom pura hama emme efficient tool का नोन्या हम एवस हम बेरिया के कोतंग हम आसलो बेलेवेंडिंग एक solution का मेन नहीं हम मी special education need के कुदिन हम कुदिन खास assistive technologies में assistive technologies हर में specific कौन बुनेवेन कुदिन बेनुम पुरांशे में बने tool में बने अनेंग हम tool बेनुम पुरांशे special need क्लाह का विस्तिबदान हम एक कहाला नीड होना को दिन है मैं को दिन अबेन वन एक कहाला असिस्टिव टेक्नोलॉजी मिसाल का हैंड्स एंड मोटो एती नगला डेवलप नोएं कुछ जगह वेज कमवान्या मु कुड़ा स्क्रीन का वर्क करना करान सा मीगा बोडंग हार्डवेयर या सॉफ्टवेयर या देती वस बाद मी हम टीचर उन ट्रेनिंग दे में जहनी हम मी हूं कमी पेडागोजिकल मेथड्स में मॉडर्न पेडागोजिकल मेथड्स में आइडेंटिफाई करम में कोंकाला हार्डवेयर तो कोंकाला सॉफ्टवेयर तो मी कुछ जाया बेणु वाणी अने उंगेने so then some available tools हम फंसे हैं alternative keyboard touch sensitive keyboard facilitated keyboard and touch screen मीगेवस हम एक कहाला कुदिन बेनुवान मीगेवस एक कहाला इच्छी then possible solutions में slide on फैनिगे में दानी then writing में एक कहाला writing skills बेनु पूरे विधान possible solutions then हम voice recognition में हम MSR ये चीज़ बताएं हम कहाँ गए फैनी और writing skills हमारे then reading skills अब बैठना हमारे बाइक का हला reading skills अब वैसे हम character recognition tools तक हमारे में बैठना पूरा विधान है हम reading skills develop करें then Salakan hama adu ibu moga data yang honna kudin nang hama flip grid hama benung peradaan ay flip grid ung halwen hama mi automatic ung hama mi salakan hama fe on the spot video ay generate koppa ega winnan address tentang pada carrying hama adwa halwen flip grid benung kofi kama wanyam kudin nang ham pase handen teacher was pennam was sunnan then speech disabilities kudin nang hama this dictation tool sama rangal kama then word kiwa kiwara study then voice typing in Google Docs was effective one. Then cognitive development and disabilities cognitivity के level तक कुदिन हमा audio books Chromebooks बैनों पर विधान हमा teacher उन्होंने parents service के अगर बैनों पर विधान then special funds बैनों पर विधान है मिसाल का worksheet अच्छे कुदिन हवा पूरा एरो open dyslexia kahala funds tang hal mena benong pura vidan ekudin ge worksheet taka then lifestyle ikoma smart pen ves benong pura vidan ai hal hama then mi har di hai gadin di hai ves homa ekko den mi demonstration session arwana nimala fa mi dakkala ne ane and formula ku ga by teacher me tools and technologies benong por mo ga be flonge hial
assalamu alaikum aluganni isna adam hafiza maskodo me aluganda fanga kore fawani me har me zamana me badala ko adhyasa ko covid agulige me zamani technology benong kurairuga me alugand me gengule hasa hiya benuma kudinna waradati taka kurimati bave sababaki me tafado disability kudinna bayar bay kudin ben menu ves ko taka audio hennoni video benong kuraka ekudina benwani amali gotum me teacher hennoni parent fenige masakka kura then hamaya ko fanga kure me alugand me bay pelineverinna ke ha me technology ya ahdu veri bayennu ehvi mavesna hamandati taka kurimati bave
alugand namaki mohammad subat ali alma masakka kurane zikura international college ge lecturer gotuga me dimave covid halatuge sababun alugand mange kiyevum medukanigen diyanu diumattaka alugand men bani online platform benu koggen kudinna bes medukanu wennati class tannaga difa alugand men online class tannego mobbenu koppawani big blue button kiya portal then a portal through ko alugand men hawa theory modules adiyege itura maths then accounting kala module tabes pani naga difa then nigotta class tak kuriya gendiye alugand fahanga vikamaki boda kudinge involvement hama kuriya bura boda libunu kane wagotaki online class tak kuriya gendayar teacher ege bodu ba masakka korunge bodu ba teacher transfer genna student unna ehem wima student un astu jehe bodan effort lang ehenno niyam astu student una understand unge ba eche student una nagagatunge ba eche kodako dabwegen dana student unge effort neti yama ega ehem wima aluganda fanga vikamaki student un astu kuriyabura boda serious effort likan then alugand men ss kurumattaka hama assignment taka me take home tutorial works assessments then alugand men me big blue button through ko final exam kuriyagendi online invigilation akko ega student un paper hadayaro penna gotan hama online real time ko webcam jassagen online invigilation account on kuriyagendi then me gota kuriya waki anen student unge result ma bodu badalen as fanwe bike kudin result ma improve se pave ekala me kurin wes mi denne gota online ko kiyawar aslu student unge effort boduwan lecture app ehem wima kudin wes eba understand wegen kudin hama kurin effort nula kudin effort la pahurikan result balale ma pahanga wegen
Medosta benang koggen teacher maname boda fanga wendia kantatagaki kudinge communication skill then speaking skill then adi me kudim sehanta kan hona shago verikan adi hama ya ka parents ke farat undi be baralung parents kudin gadi tayaro ko kudina ka heda kurawa gotota
Kangaroo kids from the international school
ka amugata ka benum kora tools taka ki PPT adi video then ege itura asto pilawala gole materials ta benum kore then adi hama ya kalgon men benum kora epic class dojo mi teacher men masakan hawal ko kudin masakan nimma ko upload kurumu teacher men mark kore wegotan inne
Assalamu alaikum. Alwan ke Maisha Ibrahim alwan masake kurani Muhammad Jamaluddin School formula. Mi haru mi ICT COVID-19 mi amu halata agoligen ICT yake alwan me mi harama mulin ekko alwan ge lesson ta mi har tayyaru faminani ICT integrate kogge kudinake mizamanu ge mi kudinake ICT ge tereng hedibodu fawa kudina waki emihunge shawgwari kamwara boda mu technology ge zariya taka technology ge device ta hure emma migutan alonment lesson ta tayyar kurati ve amugote ga classroom tere kuri ge lesson taka shawgwari muwa kudinge shawgwari kan libigen da kan alon wara boda faga kolla adi emma ya ko ICT ge tati taka kan inneni hama emme kamen alon faga ve school ge wifi dati kan ekan
alganda hiwagatu meharu dan meduga session minimone evs befula gevs suwalen ebanta evs suwalen eniyamun okay mic unmute kolla fa ahalias ehennoniyamun chat ga lielias algon man suwal kiyalana dane evs befula ko ane suwalen nukuravati me balani neti kama then medu wara bavaru tools takagge wahaka dekevizza de me horiya tools evve salgon menge Facebook community ga upload kollana ege links taka isse yallana then me session na baveri wamege ka registration form fill kor horiya befulama sunna me haru community ga link gossa ema community e join kolla deeti era ane kuriyan tanga ves ituru session ne eche ready gen dias noni tibe fulunge ituru khiyalen echen ota salgon menna e group ke wahaka hissa kolle vene then mirege mi session na join kolla devveti huriha be fulun sara boda shukriya hi kuran tibe fulunge wagutu me diyei hama wara effectively spend again kama and good night everyone, have a really good night, bye. For those who do not understand Divehi, to repeat what I have said so far, do you have any questions? If you have any questions, you could write it down in the chat and we will get to it. If not, you could just unmute yourself and ask. So I suppose you don't have any questions at the moment. So we will be adding all the links for all the tools that were shared during the presentation today. And if you had registered for the session, you would have got an email with the community link for a Facebook community. Please do join the community so that we could keep you informed for future sessions. And you can also give us any feedback that you would want to share. And I think that's all for tonight. So have a great night. Good night. Bye.
Good night.